Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback, restored as a Boss 429 replica. And I'll read off the auction listing here for Mecum. And it was lot number S228. And it was a 429 cubic inch V8 4-speed. Odometer reads 55,246 miles. Exterior color candy apple red, interior color black, and 429 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. And then highlights: restored as a Boss 429 replica, red oxide undercarriage, 429 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, front disc brakes, front spoiler, functional hood scoop, and then equipment: strut tower brace, push button radio, wood grain interior accents, Magnum 500 wheels, BF Goodrich white leather tires. And then it sold for $148,500 at the Mecum auction Saturday, November 1st in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, 2025. And this one was a nice car. If you look at it, you would think it's a Boss 429. And someone did a great restoration job on it. Really came out nice. It's going to cost you more than twice that to have a real one. So I guess this is what gets you at a party, but for a lower price. But it's not a real one. So, but anyway, that's today's featured car of the day: a 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429 replica. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.